Have you ever wondered how much money you should have saved by each age to not fall behind? Discover in our next video the mystery behind the average net worth in your 20s and how it compares to your expectations. We will unveil financial secrets most wish they had known earlier, including why a net worth of $7,500 at ages 25 to 29 is more common than you think, and how it can impact your financial future. Additionally, we will offer you proven strategies to overcome spending temptations and build solid habits that will cement your financial success from an early age. This is the advice you wish someone had given you in your 20s, and now is your chance to get ahead. Don't let curiosity get the better of you. Subscribe and get ready to transform your financial understanding and your future. Ready to find out how you compare and what you can do about it? Don't miss our exclusive video. Welcome to Wealth and Focus, your beacon in the financial fog. Today we embark on a journey through the decades of your life, uncovering the secrets to saving, investing, and thriving financially. No matter your age, it's never too late or too early to refine your financial strategy. Understanding net worth in your 20s, embarking on your financial journey in your 20s sets the stage for the decades to come. While the median net worth in the U.S. for those aged 25 to 29 hovers around $7,500, it's crucial to understand that this is a time of foundational building. Your net worth, the sum of what you own minus what you owe, might not seem substantial now. Yet, it's common for young adults to face challenges like student loans or other financial obligations, leading to a low or sometimes negative net worth. But fear not, for this decade is ripe with opportunity to cultivate robust financial habits. In your 20s, saving 10 to 15% of your pre-tax income is not just advisable. It's a strategic move towards a stable future. This saving isn't merely for retirement, but serves as a versatile financial cushion, be it for building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment, or kickstarting a stock portfolio outside of your retirement plan. It's a testament to the power of not spending every penny you earn, a common temptation for many at the start of their earning journey. The wisdom of creating a budget cannot be overstated. It's an empowering tool that I personally champion. Monthly budget reviews illuminate your financial landscape, highlighting income after taxes, passive income streams from dividends, interests, and investments, and revealing crucial insights into your spending habits and potential overspending areas. Adopting this practice in your 20s isn't just beneficial, it's a game changer, setting you leagues apart from your peers. Embracing flexibility in your savings rate while striving to save 10 to 15% of your pre-tax income is key. Understandably, this might not be feasible for everyone initially. Starting with a lower percentage and gradually increasing it as your financial situation improves is a prudent approach. Consistency, however, is non-negotiable. Avoid the pitfall of overspending. It's a seductive trap that ensnares many. Indulging in luxuries sporadically is permissible, provided it doesn't derail your financial objectives. Always ensure your monthly income surpasses your expenses, steering clear of the perilous cycle of debt financing through credit cards or loans. In conclusion, your 20s are not just about building wealth, but about laying down the financial literacy and discipline groundwork. It's about making informed choices, being prudent with your spending, and investing in your financial education. The habits you form now will pave the way for a prosperous future. Let's make financial acumen your strongest asset as you navigate through this exciting decade of opportunities and growth. The 30s, elevating your financial game. Transitioning into your 30s marks a pivotal chapter in your financial narrative. With the median net worth for individuals aged 30 to 34 at $36,000 and between 35 to 39 at $56,000, this decade is characterized by a significant uptick in financial responsibilities and opportunities. Achieving a net worth that is 1 to 2 times your annual salary signifies that you're on the right trajectory. However, the real magic of your 30s lies in the power of informed investing and strategic financial planning. Investment should be your watchword during this time. It's the period to broaden your financial horizon beyond savings, venturing into low-cost index funds and other growth-oriented investments. These choices leverage the advantage of long-term compounding, essential for building a substantial retirement nest egg. Diversification becomes paramount. Spreading your investments across different asset classes and geographies minimizes risk and positions you for more stable returns. But investing wisely isn't just about where you put your money. It's also about vigilance towards costs that can erode your gains, such as investment fees. The savvy investor in their 30s knows the importance of selecting low-cost investment options and regularly auditing the fees they're paying. It's not an exaggeration to say that, over time, high fees can consume a significant portion of your investment returns. Awareness and action on this front can save you thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, over your investing lifetime. Moreover, this decade is the time to double down on retirement savings, aiming to stash away at least 15 to 20% of your pre-tax income. Whether it's through a 401k, IRA, or a Roth IRA, taking full advantage of these tax-advantaged accounts can dramatically enhance your financial well-being. Additionally, continuous education on financial matters is crucial. Your 30s are an excellent time to deepen your understanding of investing principles, enabling you to make more informed decisions and adapt your strategies as your financial situation evolves. Embracing these principles in your 30s sets a powerful precedent for the decades to come. It's about building resilience, expanding your wealth, and securing a future where financial freedom is not just a possibility, but a certainty. Let this decade be your launching pad to financial greatness, where every decision is a step towards a more secure and prosperous future. Before we venture into the strategies for your 40s, a quick reminder from Wealth and Focus. If you're finding value in our guide through the decades, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join our community of savvy savers and investors like yourself. We publish new videos twice a week, packed with insights to empower your financial journey. Whether you're just starting or looking to elevate your economic well-being, we're here to help you save smartly, invest wisely, and develop a wealth mindset. Don't miss out on transforming your financial life. Subscribe now, and let's continue this journey together. Fortifying finances in your 40s. As you navigate through your 40s with a net worth range between $127,000 and $165,000, you're at a critical juncture in your financial journey. This decade is not just about growth, but about strategic fortification of your financial stronghold. By now, the goal is to have saved 2 to 4 times your annual income, a benchmark indicating you're well on your way to a secure retirement. But achieving this requires more than just consistent saving. It demands a meticulous approach to investment, tax planning, and future-proofing your financial legacy. In your 40s, maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs becomes paramount. The tax-deferred growth and potential tax deductions these accounts offer can significantly boost your retirement savings. It's also the time to assess the adequacy of your retirement funds. Are you on track to maintain your desired lifestyle in retirement? If not, strategic adjustments are needed, perhaps by increasing your savings rate or reevaluating your investment choices for better returns. This decade also calls for a sophisticated investment strategy. Diversification remains crucial, but so does the understanding of your risk tolerance, as it might shift closer to retirement. Low-cost index funds, mutual funds, and other vehicles should be evaluated not just for their growth potential, but for their role in providing a balanced, resilient portfolio that can withstand market fluctuations. Moreover, your 40s are an opportune time to solidify your estate planning and ensure your financial legacy is protected. It's about safeguarding your wealth, not just for your retirement, but for future generations. This includes wills, trusts, and life insurance policies, ensuring that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and that your loved ones are financially secure in your absence. Embracing the financial challenges and opportunities of your 40s with wisdom and foresight sets the stage for not just a comfortable retirement, but a legacy of wealth and security. It's a time for strategic decisions, from aggressive savings to insightful investments, all aimed at building a financial edifice that stands the test of time. Let this decade be marked by purposeful action towards securing a prosperous future, where financial stability is a given and your financial aspirations are well within reach. Navigating your 50s with financial finesse. As you enter your 50s with a net worth that ideally ranges between $171,000 and $194,000, the emphasis shifts towards fine-tuning your finances for retirement. This is the decade to assess and bolster your retirement savings, particularly through catch-up contributions that the IRS allows for those over 50. Such strategic moves are crucial for closing any gaps in your retirement goals. It's also a time for recalibrating your investment risk, ensuring your portfolio is aligned with a nearer retirement horizon, and protecting your hard-earned savings from late-stage market volatility. This period calls for a deep dive into estate planning, transcending beyond mere retirement readiness to securing your legacy. Drafting or updating your will, establishing trusts, and setting in place healthcare directives ensures that your wealth distribution aligns with your wishes, providing peace of mind and clarity for your loved ones. Estate planning in your 50s is not just advisable, it's a critical step in safeguarding your financial achievements and intentions. Additionally, your 50s offer a pivotal moment to evaluate your career path and its alignment with your financial and personal aspirations. Whether it's negotiating better compensation, seeking roles that offer greater satisfaction, or even exploring new ventures, this decade is ripe for making informed decisions that enhance your financial standing and job fulfillment. It's about leveraging your peak earning years to solidify your financial foundation while still paving the way for a rewarding post-retirement life. As you navigate through your 50s with intention and insight, embrace this time as an opportunity to refine your financial strategy, ensuring it robustly supports your vision for retirement and beyond. With disciplined savings, strategic investment adjustments, and comprehensive estate planning, you're not just preparing for a secure retirement, but are also laying the groundwork for a legacy that reflects your values and aspirations. The goal is to approach retirement with confidence, backed by a financial plan that's as resilient and forward-looking as you are. Embracing your 60s and beyond. Entering your 60s with a median net worth of $229,000 to $272,000 signifies a monumental shift in your financial journey, from accumulation to preservation and distribution. This is the decade where the fruits of your labor truly come to bear, allowing you to step into retirement with confidence and security. Yet, this transition also calls for meticulous financial management to ensure your savings support your lifestyle without compromise, and that your legacy is passed on according to your wishes. In your 60s, understanding the nuances of Social Security benefits becomes paramount. Deciding when to claim these benefits is a critical decision that impacts your financial stability. Delaying benefits until your full retirement age, or even beyond, can significantly increase your monthly payments, providing a stronger financial buffer. Additionally, this is the time to review your retirement savings and investment allocations, ensuring they are attuned to a more conservative risk profile to protect your wealth from market fluctuations. The concept of estate planning takes on new urgency in your 60s. It's essential to have all your legal and financial documents in order, including wills, trusts, healthcare proxies, and powers of attorney. These measures ensure that your assets are distributed as you intend and that your health and financial decisions can be made according to your wishes, even if you're unable to make those decisions yourself. Regularly reviewing these documents with a legal professional guarantees that they remain aligned with your current desires and any changes in the law. But your 60s and beyond are not just about financial legacies, they're about personal legacies too. This is a time to explore passions, deepen relationships, and contribute to your community in meaningful ways. Whether it's through travel, hobbies, volunteering, or mentoring, the wealth you've built enables you to make choices that enrich your life and the lives of others. Your financial planning has set the stage for a retirement filled with opportunity, growth, and contribution. As you embrace your 60s and the years that follow, let your financial wisdom guide you through this fulfilling chapter of your life. With careful management of your retirement funds, strategic decisions about Social Security, and thoughtful estate planning, you're well equipped to enjoy a retirement that reflects your hard work, values, and dreams. It's a time of celebration, reflection, and looking forward to the legacy you'll leave behind. A legacy not just of wealth, but of a life well lived. Conclusion. As we conclude our journey through the financial milestones of each decade, it's clear that mastering your finances is not just about the numbers. It's about making informed decisions that align with your life's goals and dreams. Here at Wealth and Focus, we're committed to guiding you through every step of your financial journey, providing you with the knowledge and tools to transform your economic well-being. From smart saving strategies to wise investing, our content is tailored to empower you with a wealth mindset, enabling you to generate passive income and achieve financial success, regardless of your starting point. We understand the challenges and opportunities that come with each stage of life, and we're here to support you with clear, concise, and actionable advice. Whether you're an employee looking to enhance your financial stability or someone seeking to develop a more strategic approach to investing, Wealth and Focus is your go-to resource for personal finance. Now, we invite you to take the next step in your financial journey with us. Subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and join a community dedicated to financial empowerment. Share our videos with friends and family who might benefit from our insights, and don't hesitate to engage with us in the comments below. Your feedback and questions help us create content that addresses your specific needs and challenges. Thank you for watching, and remember, your financial journey is unique, but you don't have to navigate it alone. With Wealth and Focus, you have a partner every step of the way. Here's to your financial success and a life of abundance and fulfillment. Subscribe now, and let's continue to grow together.